welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share and give a little thought about what I feel on this Mediterranean almond face mask. Almond milk with oats instant soothing mask. So I'm just gonna jump right at it and share with you guys what I feel about the consistency of this mask. As the name of this mask already gave away, it has tiny bits of oats in it. The base of the mask is just a white creamy substance. The oats are the scrubbing bits in this mask. So what I love about this is that they definitely try to do something for people with sensitive skin like me. And since there is a minimal chance the oats will scrub your face to hush. Remove makeup and cleanse the skin. Definitely this is the utmost important step to do. Smooth and even layer of the mask onto the face using the facial brush, or you can also use your fingers, avoiding the eye and lip area because these are like the sensitive points on our skin. Apply to neck if desired and leave it on for like 15 minutes maximum. So using a clean sponge or your fingertips, you can gently massage in smooth circular motion to feel the delicate exfoliating particles work before removing them, and then rinse them off with warm water in gentle circular motion. You guys can use this up to twice a week for best results. Based on my observation guys, the oats provide such a gentle exfoliation that you can't even damage your skin. After rinsing, my skin looked very moistured and the redness that I always get after taking off my makeup had almost completely faded away. Now I'm just quickly washing off my face. It's a routine that I always do after a good mask, and I will just put on my toner and also my moisturizer, and then I'll be done for this video. Overall my skin felt super soft, which also makes it very hard to not want to touch it the whole time. I would definitely recommend this mask to anyone who loves almond, and also if you have sensitive skin, this mask is made for you. Have you tried this mask already? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. Till we meet again in our next video. Bye guys!